Right. So, welcome. Today, what we're going to look at is very neat and effective way of converting a list that you may have on an Excel sheet into a comma-separated list. Um, just quickly start with the demo here. Let's assume that we have a certain data that's available to us in like a row-based format on an Excel sheet. So, just going to create some sample values here and work with those. Now, now that we have this list of values in an Excel sheet, the first thing that we need to do, or the first step in this process, is to transpose these values and convert them into or represent them in columns. How we can easily do that is by using the transpose function. So if you look at the paste special uh, functionality within your Microsoft Excel sheet, then you would have the ability to transpose these lists of values. So all you need to do is click on that option right here, and that would, that has the ability of converting your rows into columns, or the other way around, which is your columns into rows. So we go ahead and select that. Now that we have all our data represented in columns, I'll go ahead and delete this extra information. The next step for us is to save this information, and we would save this as a CSV delimited file. Let me give it a neat little name here. So as you look at the save as type options, you would find the option of CSV comma delimited. Select that and save it. You have a couple of these notifications popping up. All you need to do is say yes to them. In essence, what it's trying to tell you is that since you're converting this file into a CSV file, certain features within Excel will not be available to you, which is fine for us because our purpose is slightly different. I'm going to close this here, and it will go on prompting you about these notifications. I have saved this on my desktop, the file that we had created. The next step for me is to open this, use the open with function, because that would give you the option of Notepad. So any text editor that you have on your machine can be used. You can use Notepad, or you could use WordPad if you're using a Windows machine. And now, as you can see, you have all the values represented or delimited by commas. You could use this in whichever way you need it. Maybe there is an application that needs comma separated values. Right. That's it from my end. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you.